With ITelagen's revolutionary new EHR cloud for NextGen, you and your staff can access NextGen Enterprise directly from your desktop or laptop start menu, just like any other Windows application. To access NextGen with ITelagen's EHR cloud, simply click on the NextGen icon on your local desktop computer. This eliminates the confusion and hassle for your staff of logging into and navigating a remote desktop. After entering a HIPAA-compliant password, the NextGen app launcher appears right on your local desktop alongside your other Windows applications. From here, you can launch any of the NextGen Enterprise applications, such as the EHR application. It's easy to launch the EPM application or any of the other options in the NextGen app launcher. You can maximize, minimize, and restore the NextGen Enterprise applications on your desktop just like any other application on your computer. With ITelagen's EHR Cloud for NextGen, you can even move them individually to a second monitor and run the NextGen Enterprise applications side by side. This enables your staff to work with other applications side by side with NextGen Enterprise without having to switch back and forth from one desktop to another. Launch applications like Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Word, and easily manage multiple windows. ITelagen EHR Cloud for NextGen enables you to truly utilize your EHR just like any other application on your desktop. When you're done working with any of the NextGen Enterprise applications, you can simply close them as you would with any other Windows desktop application. By eliminating the need for a remote desktop, ITelagen's EHR Cloud for NextGen increases the security of your patient data by eliminating direct access to the server, increases performance, minimizes training, and eliminates the confusion of multiple desktops for you and your staff. To learn more about ITelagen's revolutionary EHR Cloud for NextGen, contact the ITelagen sales team at 877-983-2443 or via email at sales@itelagen.com.